friends, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video I am going to do a deconstructed bloom, and I will be using about 6 or 7 colors paints, and it is fluid acrylic paint. And the canvas I'm going to use is a 10 by 20. A 10 by 20 canvas. I will be blowing out my blooms with that hair dryer, and let me show you what colors I'm gonna use. My first paint to put down will be silver. And this is Arteza silver. That is Winsor Newton's green gold. And that will be followed by phthalo blue. That's phthalo blue. That is light blue green permanent by Liquitex Basics. And then that one is gold. You know, I always incorporate gold in all my paintings. That is my cell activator. It's black oxide. And the first color that I'm gonna lay down is the white. Well, actually it's my pillow. It's glidden. I'm gonna put it on the canvas and just tilt it a little bit. Then I'm going to layer my colors. And once I layer them, then I am going to blow them out. Blow the bloom with the hair dryer, and then once that's done, then I am going to tilt so I can stretch all the cells that are going to develop. So that looks like a pretty good base to layer my paint. So now I'm just going to add a little bit white paint, and the purpose for that one is to increase the flow of. So when I tilt, or when I use my blow dryer to blow the bloom out, then it will have enough paint to move it to the edges of the canvas. So now I just put down my cell activator, which is black oxide, and now I'm going to blow with high air with low heat. If that makes any sense. So now I'm making another bloom. I'm making my second bloom. I might come back to this bloom and kind of redo it because it just does not look the way I wanted it to look. I wanted to have bigger blooms, like bigger petals. So once I finish with this other one that I'm doing, then I'll come back and redo this, the first one. So let's go ahead and continue this way. I probably will make 3 blooms. Yeah, I want to make 3 blooms, and then we'll blow them up, tilt them, and then make our designs and composition. Just try to work with the composition and see what we come up with. So from here on, I probably will just have the music, background music play, and just pay attention to the what I'm doing and not talk too much. But yeah, just follow along with me. And again, it's just basically putting the paints down, putting the cell activator in the middle of the petals, and then blowing from the middle outwards. And then once that's done, then we'll go ahead and tilt. And yeah, thank you so much for being here. Enjoy the music, and the process of this, it's gonna turn out really beautiful. So let's go ahead and just watch and enjoy. Okay, I'll see you towards the end. I will touch bases towards the end of the video and show you the final results. Thanks again for being here, guys. Love you all, and don't forget to subscribe. here is the final result of this beautiful deconstructed bloom. I used the bloom technique and deconstructed it. This is what we ended up with. So how beautiful is this? So beautiful. I love the center. Well, I love the blooms, although they're not very prominent, but yeah, look at that center right there. It kind of got a little bit warped, but that's what deconstructed bloom looks like. And look at these cells here. They're just randomly appeared there. You would think that I used oil, but I did not. But they are really, really, really beautiful. Yeah, that's what we have, guys. I love it. Again, another beautiful painting. Always impressed by what I can paint. I mean, self-taught, and these are really good paintings that I end up with sometimes. And yeah, anyway, guys, it's so great to have you here, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment always. I welcome your comments. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.